In previous video, we have seen how to add positive integers. For addition, we move towards the right on a number line for positive integer, and for negative integer, we move towards left. Now we are going to see how to subtract the integers on a number line, that is subtraction of integer on a number line. Take one example. Subtract 5 from 6. That is 6 minus 5. That is nothing but 1. So draw a line, draw a number line and denote 0 and positive integers right side and negative integers left side. So in 6 and 5 you have first number is 6. So first move 6 steps to the right of 0, that is 0 to 6, and then move 5 steps left from 6, that is 6 to 5, 6 to 1. So answer will be 1. Now take one more example. Subtract minus 5 from 6. So we have to subtract minus 5 from 6, that equal to 6 minus of minus 5, that equal to 6 minus into minus plus, that equal to 6 plus 5, that equal to 11. Draw a number line and represent the numbers 0 and 1, 2. Represent the values, and in this example you have first 6. So move 6 steps right to 0, that is from 0 to 6 you have to draw a line 0 to 6, and for minus 5 we would have to move left, but in this example we are having minus of minus 5, so we move in the opposite direction, that is moving 5 to the right and moving 5 to right from 6, that is we reach 11. Take one more example. Subtract minus 4 from minus 8. That equal to minus 8 minus of minus 4. Minus 8 minus into minus plus 4, that equal to minus 4. Now draw a line and represent the values, and first move 8 steps to the left of 0, because we are having minus 8. Negative integer we have, that's why we have to move 8 steps to the left of 0. 0 to 8, and then move 4 steps right from minus 8, because plus 4 we are having. Then minus 8 to 4 we will draw, so we reach minus 4. Now subtract one more example. Subtract minus 9 from minus 2, that equal to minus 2 minus of minus 9, that equal to minus 2 minus into minus plus 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Draw a line on the number line. We have to move 2 steps left to the 0, because first we are having -2. That's why we have to move 2 steps left to 0. That is, from 0 to -2 we have to draw a line, and for +9 we have to move 9 steps from -2. That is, we will reach to 7.